Hello everybody, I am Tadashi Mori, and in this video here I will show you how to make an origami tsuru. This is an easy traditional origami. So start with the white side facing upward. Now fold the model in half along the diagonal. Now hold the model in this position here. And again you are going to fold the model in half along this line. Now you're going to open the front flap. And to do it, you just have to hold the front flap like this, and then you open the middle part just like this. Now turn the model over and you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again you're going to open this front flap. Now you're going to fold the sides of this front flap up to the middle line. Now you're going to fold and unfold the top part. Now unfold these two flaps. Now you're going to make a fold called petal fold, and to do it, you're going to fold only the front flap upward like this, and at the same time you're going to fold the sides of the paper up to the middle line, and the model will look like this. Now turn the model over . And again you're going to fold the sides of these front flaps up to the middle line. Now unfold both flaps . And again you're going to make a petal fold. So fold this front flap upward and then fold the sides up to the middle line. Now fold the side flaps up to the middle line along this line. You're going to take here just one flap from each side and align with the middle line like this. So do the same thing here on the other side. And the model will look like this. Now turn the model over And do the same thing here. So fold the sides of this front layer up to the middle line. Now you're going to make an inside reverse fold. So to do it, you're going to open the side of the model a little bit, and you're going to fold this bottom flap to the side while reversing it. And the model will look like this. Now you're going to do another inside reverse fold here on the tip. Now make another inside reverse fold here on the other side. And you're going to spread the wings carefully, like this, pull in the middle a little bit, and the model is done. So that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you like it, please do not forget to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.